What's up YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with another wig install. I'm going to be using boho for this install, of course, my boho active. This wig is from Sowigs, and I just want to thank them for sponsoring this video as well as sending me the wig to review for y'all. This hair is Peruvian. It's 180% density and it's 20 inches and it's a body wave wig. I'm just giving y'all the details right off the bat. However, you could check out the description box down below for further details. But right now, I'm just hot combing the hair back. I think I did a lot of my work on my head, more so than a mannequin. So yeah. And by the way, this lace was super duper bomb. So y'all just see me plucking the wig right now. Y'all know, if y'all be watching my hair tutorials, kind of how this be going. But I'm just going through and plucking and customizing the wig while it's on my head. And I'm just making sure I hot comb it back and actually brush the hair back as I'm working, just to keep everything out the way. Alright y'all, so now that I'm pretty satisfied with the plucking, I'm going to be pulling the hair back and going in with my glue. So I'm going in with my first layer. I'm just dotting along the band and where my actual skin is, and I'm just smoothing that layer out. You want to make sure, of course, you apply your layers thin so they can dry clear in between. So that is what I'm doing, and I actually really like this edge brush. I think a company sent it to me, or my mama got it from the beauty supply store, one or the other. But it has a flat end that is really good for smoothing out your glue. Or you can also just use a popsicle stick. That's usually what I tend to use. I have like a whole pack of them that I bought from Amazon. And I think my puppy was asleep and I didn't want to wake her up or something like that. So I did not use my blow dryer. I kind of just fanned it with one of my wig caps. So yeah, that's what that's about. I'm going on my second layer now, as y'all see. And I'm just going to kind of repeat this process. I think I did 2 to 3 layers. That's usually what I tend to do when I'm doing installs. But yeah, just smoothing this out. And I just noticed that I actually didn't film the ball cap part of this install. Sometimes it get a little repetitive and I want to switch it up. But yeah, I did do the ball cap method using the boho as well. So I'm just making sure that this dries clear for the most part. So I did 2 layers, and I'm going to go ahead and lay the lace down. And I'm just going to use my edge brush to kind of help me push that lace into the glue. And I'm just going to be doing some back comb motions. I'm using a comb side, the brush side, and making sure that the lace is pressed into that glue. So now I'm just hot combing the hair back so that everything is just back out the way before I put this band on. I'm also going to be using some Got2b glue spray just to make sure there are no flyaways, and again that the hair is all going back before I put the band on. If it's not my wax stick, that's usually what it is. I'll just use a little bit of Got2b glue or something just to make sure all the hair is going back. Sometimes I switch my way of doing my hair, y'all. I be noticing that. But as long as the final result turns out good, that's all that matters. So I'm putting some slits into the hair with my scissors. And I'm going to be putting a little bit of glue in the area that I missed before I get ready to cut this lace off. So I'm just doing a little thin layer and just pushing that lace back down because I clearly missed the spot. And I'm just using the actual end of the razor to help me do that because it was small and it got in there real nice. So yeah, I'm just doing that, combing that back. I'm doing the same exact thing I did when I initially laid the wig. And now I'm just using the razor to take all the excess lace off. So that's what's going on now. And then I'm going to get ready to part out my hair that I want for my baby hairs. I didn't really worry about this cast because y'all will see that it kind of goes away towards the end of me doing my hair. But now I'm just parting out the hair that I want for my baby hairs. They started off kind of crazy, and then I cut more hair as I seen fit. I like this method that I did of mapping them out and seeing actually where I want them to be before I did them, instead of just like freestyling it. So yeah, I kind of had an idea, and I'm using the Got2b glue spray there. That's what kind of takes away that cast, and I'm just hot combing that hair back, kind of to separate the baby hair from the rest of the hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part all of that out, and then I'm gonna start cutting them and laying them and doing all that good stuff with my Gorilla Snot. And as y'all see, I'm going in with a little bit more of Got2b glue just to make sure everything is good and laid. And that is what gets rid of that cast, just a little bit of Got2b glue. So yeah, I really didn't actually tie the band, y'all. I literally held it there for a couple minutes and took it off because I was like I was kind of rushing a little bit, needing to get this done. But yeah, now I'm just going in with my little scissors and I'm cutting the hairs. Y'all can kind of watch this process. Like I said, they started off kind of big and long, and I went in and cut them as I seen fit. You can always go back in and cut as you see fit, but yeah, once you go too short, it's no going back. So I rather cut them too long in the beginning, and I'm just curling them with my mini flat irons. I'm gonna get ready to lay them, so I just let y'all watch that whole process. So after going in with that foam lotion just to soften the hair up a little bit, I'm going back in with the elastic band, doing it the lazy way and just holding it there for a couple minutes. And now I'm gonna get ready to style the rest of the hair. I do like how my baby hairs came out. Like, I wanted them a little bit dramatic. That's what I was going for, and I was going for a side part with this unit. Y'all, I really like this hair. Like, this hair was bomb. I think the only complaint that I had with it is that it was kind of on a frizzier side, but that's nothing that a good serum can't tame. So yeah, other than that though, I really love this hair, y'all. Super soft and bomb. It was really easy to work with. And here y'all just see me cutting layers into the hair before I get ready to curl it. This really just frames the face, and I don't know, something about cutting layers into your hair before you curl it just makes the curls come out way better every time. So I did go ahead and layer this hair on up, and I felt like I actually knew what I was doing this time. So that was like a good thing. But I'm just using some hair shears. I'm going in with my olive oil serum, and I'm putting that through the hair before I get ready to do some flat iron curls. But what also would have really been cute is some crimps in this hair. I think I want to get me a crimper because crimps be looking so cute. At first I was like, whatever, like I feel like I'm a wand curl or like, you know, regular curls type of girl, but crimps be looking cute. So I think I'm gonna give me a crimper. But anyways, I'm going in with my flat iron curls. Ever since I didn't learn how to do these, this is all I do when I'm getting ready to curl my hair. So yeah, I just basically sped it up and I curled all of my hair. now I'm just going back into my hot comb. I think I used my Care wax stick up there, and I'm just getting everything flat at the top and jam out as I do per usual. But I'm just going along the perimeter of the hair, and y'all, this is the finished look. Okay, I think it came out super duper cute. This was a cute, easy, simple little style, nothing too crazy, just a side part with some curls. And yeah, y'all, I really did enjoy working with this hair. If you are interested in getting this look, make sure y'all hit the description box. I will have all the information down there, as well as the link as to where you can purchase this wig. And again, thank you so much, Sowigs, for first of all being patient with me on this video, because y'all, I have been so busy. But yeah, thank y'all for also sponsoring this video. Thank you if you watched all the way to the end, and I will see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit my bell.